Most people still think AI videos look fake, bad animations, robotic movement, cheap looking visuals. But Google VO3 just changed everything because this is not normal AI video generation anymore. This is cinematic filmmaking powered entirely by AI. Today, I'm going to show you how creators are using VO3 to generate movie scenes, VFX shots, documentaries, business advertisements, YouTube content, and viral cinematic videos that honestly look impossible for AI. And the craziest part, most people watching these videos can't even tell they were generated with AI. Let's start with movie scene generation. With VO3, you can create cinematic scenes with realistic lighting, emotional facial expressions, dramatic camera movements, ultra detailed environments, and Hollywood style storytelling, all from a simple text prompt. Imagine typing, a lonely warrior walking through a burning city at sunset, cinematic camera movement, emotional atmosphere, realistic smoke and fire. And within minutes, AI generates an entire movie quality scene. No actors, no expensive cameras, no VFX studio, just prompts.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get unlimited access to Google VO3. This is a completely secure system where you get paid access while your privacy is fully protected. How does it work? Let's take a look step by step. First, we need to visit the Rocketoolz website. This is the platform where you can get your unlimited Google VO3 access. Currently, they have some amazing offers running. Runway ML is available here for free unlimited use, along with various image generators and clip-free access through Runway AI. However, our main focus today is Google VO3. Once you're on the site, you'll need to create an account. If you're a new user, just click on Register and fill in your details. I already have an account, so I'll log in directly. After registering, your dashboard will be created automatically. To use Google VO3, you'll need to select a plan from the membership section, where you'll find the Starter, Ultimate, and Power packs. These packs include Google VO3, along with over 100 premium AI tools. If you're looking specifically for VO3, you can choose between two main options. The premium plan for 1500 rupees, which includes Gemini Ultra models and multiple side accounts, or the Lite plan for just 599 rupees. If you're on a budget, the Lite plan is an incredible deal. You won't find VO3 cheaper anywhere else in the market. Both plans offer the same high quality. The only difference is the number of accounts provided. Getting all of this for just 599 rupees is truly a steal. When it comes to payment, clicking Get Started will take you to the checkout page. If you're in India, simply select India and pay via UPI or card. For international customers, you can select the United States or the UK to see the pricing in dollars and pay easily through PayPal. Since I already have a subscription, let's head over to the dashboard. Click on the Access toolbar page, scroll down, and open Google VO3. I'm using the Ultimate Ultra Pack, so I have access to all the tools. Once you open VO3, you'll see several buttons. Each button represents a different account, ensuring that if one is busy, you can always use another without any delays. Now, let's talk about the most important feature, the Project Lock system. As soon as you start a new project, the system will ask you to set a project pin. For example, if I set it to 12,345, my project is now locked. This ensures that no one else can view your work without that specific pin. If someone tries to open your locked project, they'll get an incorrect pin message, meaning your data is completely safe. From here, you can generate unlimited videos. Just provide a scene description or an image, and your video will start generating. Keep in mind that even official paid Google plans currently include a watermark, so you will see one here as well, but the video quality remains top-notch. You can upscale and download videos in 108p and save images in 4K. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to Rocketoolz and unlock your unlimited AI creativity. I've included a link in the description where you can get an extra discount on your purchase. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you in the next one.
Now let's talk about VFX. This is where VO3 becomes dangerous for traditional editing workflows. Creators are generating explosions, destruction scenes, futuristic cities, Magical effects, sci fi environments, fantasy battles, storm sequences, flying camera shots, and cinematic action scenes directly with AI. Before this technology, creating scenes like this required massive production teams. Now, one creator with a laptop can generate visuals that feel like Netflix or Marvel style production. And honestly, we're only getting started. Now, let's move into documentary filmmaking. This is one of the most underrated uses of VO3. Creators are generating historical recreations, ancient civilizations, war sequences, crime documentaries, emotional storytelling visuals, cinematic narration scenes, and realistic atmospheric footage that looks professionally filmed. Imagine creating an entire documentary channel without shooting a single frame manually. This is why AI documentaries are exploding right now on YouTube. And then comes business advertisements. This is where AI is changing marketing forever. With VO3, businesses can now generate luxury product ads, cinematic car commercials, fashion campaigns, restaurant promotions, real estate videos, travel advertisements, and high end brand storytelling in minutes. Small businesses that could never afford production studios can now create premium commercials using AI. That changes everything. Now think about YouTube creators, faceless channels, storytelling channels, motivation videos, finance content, podcast visuals, history channels, anime edits, short films. Beotres allows creators to generate visuals faster than ever before. Instead of searching stock footage for hours, AI creates custom cinematic scenes instantly. That means faster uploads, higher quality videos, better audience retention, and more viral potential. And this is exactly why creators are moving toward AI filmmaking so fast, because the gap between AI generated videos and real production is disappearing. Every month, AI gets more realistic, more cinematic, more emotional, more professional. The creators learning BO3 today are positioning themselves for the future of content creation. And honestly, the future belongs to creators who understand AI storytelling. Because soon, the biggest YouTube channels, advertisements, documentaries, and even films will be powered by AI generation workflows. This is not just another editing tool. This is the beginning of a completely new era of filmmaking, an era where creativity matters more than equipment. And the people who learn this first will dominate the next generation of content.